The asparagus is about spent. It was a beautiful crop this year, very happy to say. A few weeds, added some new, they're doing well. Rue and a rhubarb there, we shall see. Don't see anything of it now. But, back to the wall. This is Clematis native. It is just huge. This is a choke cherry. These were all very small when I planted them just 4 years ago. This is the rose that is actually just 3 years old because I did lose one of my original plantings and started over with this plant, and I can see that I have gonna get blossoms this year, so that's exciting. This is a golden currant, which has just excelled. It has already bloomed. It will get berries. It's going to become quite the little habitat for birds before long. Mock orange, soon to bloom. Beautiful fragrance. Super happy with this because this was nothing but cheatgrass. And now I have native shrubs which block the ugly fence. This is fiscus grass, ryegrass, and blue, something like that. All bunch grass that I intend to keep. I do want to mow it lower, but I want it to seed so I can fill in more. Getting rid of my red filigree or filary and all that cheatgrass. Glory be.